Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Recipe: dissolve 1 cup table sugar, cane preferred, beat as okay, in 4 cups water. Do not use any other sugar, not turbinado, brown sugar, etc., and never use honey or artificial sweeteners. Spring water is best, but most tap water is okay. Don't use distilled water.
Take our lead.
Hummingbird feeders, in general, should be hanged in the shade because nectar in the feeders can get spoiled more quickly in the hot sun all day. If you place your hummingbird feeder in the shade of trees, walls, or eaves, the feeder will be safe from wind and storms.
Let's help you make your mark.
Putting out of feeders to attract hummingbirds, who need to feed frequently, especially during migration, is a very popular activity. However, using the wrong kinds of sugar solutions or leaving moldy feeders out can kill hummingbirds and their babies.
Take our lead.
5 to 7 days. Nectar shelf life and expiration throughout the early spring in most of the U.S., temperatures hover between the 60s and 70s. At these temperatures, you should be replacing your hummingbird nectar every 5 to 7 days.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hummingbirds love to drink nectar from flowers and feeders. Hummingbirds need water to drink and bathe. It is easy to incorporate water into your hummingbird garden by adding a water mister that will not only water the plants, but allow the hummingbirds to take a quick shower.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.